Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the lava flip phone. Pretty simple. You just have to, you have to insert this 1200 mAh lithium ion battery in the phone. This comes separately in the box, and if it doesn't, which means that your box is not complete, that something is missing. How do we insert this battery? You will have to remove this flap. How do we do that? You will see a tiny groove right over here. I don't know if you can see this. Yes, there you see this groove over here. Just dig your fingernails in there and push. The flap should come off pretty easily. There you go. And you will notice that there are two SIM trays over here, which is quite good. Two SIM trays, there's a tray for an SD card as well. I'm going to insert the battery. I unfortunately don't have a SIM card, so I won't be able to put one here. But another thing to notice is that this is your speaker right away. It's a pretty large speaker, and the camera is also there. I'm going to insert the battery, put the flip back on, the lid back on, and it's time to turn the phone on. This is a feature phone, if memory serves right. You turn on there you go. So generally in older feature phones, you switch them on by clicking on this button. So this is the button. This is the power on off button, and in older phones this particular logo would be red in color. It's not so in this one, and that's okay. And like I said, you still have turned your phone on, and the first thing that you get is the language setting. So I'm going to click on English. Done. And we're now at the menu. This is basically the first step on how to set up this particular device. Let's go to the menu and see what's there. This is not a touch screen, so anything you do here is not going to work. All the controls are here. So you see OK on the left side of the screen, so you have to press the left button right here. So suppose I want to select, and you make a selection using the controls at the center, or I can just press the middle button right here to enter the same menu. Click on something and say, let's click on Airstrike itself, doesn't matter, new game, and that's it. We're now playing a game. Let me give you a closer view. Yep. It's a pretty old Space Invader type game. I will try to reduce the volume if possible, provided it lets me. Oh, that's it. There were only 3. Okay, that's it. And you can press the power on off button at any time to exit any application. Once again, old school feature phone, mobile phone technology, with old school feature phone logic as well. And what else is there? There is a camera button over here. So if I click on that, this basically gives access to your camera. And if you can see anything, I'll try to put my hand here. Yeah, there you can see my hand. There is no front switching camera here. There is no selfie camera here, unfortunately. There is a video recorder. I'll show you once again. I press on the camera button. I press on the camera button over here, and we are now at the camera. I click on options, and the first thing that you see is switch to video recorder, which means this particular video needs a memory card for that. Unfortunately, I don't have one, so I won't be able to show it to you. What else is there? 1 second. There's an image viewer, camera settings, back. And that's about it. Anything else in the menu? Let's go to the settings page and see something. There's dual SIM setting, display setting, LED backlight. Brightness is at 4. Let's increase the brightness and see what that looks like. Brightness is 5 now. So yeah, increasing, decreasing. Yep, back, keypad backlight, Oh yeah, there's a keypad backlight option as well. You can increase it to whatever you want. Basically, let's keep it to 30 seconds. Show date, time, LG backlight, wallpaper. What do we have here? System 1. Okay, there's only one. Done. And that's about it. This is basically how you set up this particular flip phone, the Lava flip phone. You can switch it off by pressing the power on off button all over again. Just press and hold, and that's how you switch off this particular phone. And that's it. That's all you need to know to set up the Lava flip phone. Thank you for watching.